Good afternoon, Tracy here from the Rugged Outdoors. Hope everybody's okay. Today's project we're going to look at toilet tissue lanterns, so why don't we get started? For today's activity you'll need a few leaves, toilet roll, PVA glue, a small candle and an old bowl. The first thing we're going to do is take some tissue paper, lay it over your bowl and then start gluing it. Just lay it on, get your brush and your glue, and just start adding the glue to it. We want to do this all over the bowl. Once that bit's done, put the next layer on. I'm going to build this up now. We want at least 5 layers of tissue paper on the bowl. Once you've covered your bowl, leave it to dry for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now if you remember earlier in the video, I said you need to collect some leaves. This is where we're going to add our leaves onto our lantern. So just place them on, and as it's going to be 5 minutes or so, the glue is still tacky so it will hold them in place. Once you've actually placed all your leaves on how you like them, what we need to do again is another layer of PVA glue straight over the top of it. What we'll do is lay the tissue paper back over your leaves again and just make sure everything sticks and stays in place now. Just make sure you get that nicely covered, just like you did the rest of it. Once you've completed the whole thing with your final layer of tissue paper, all we need to do now is leave it to dry. All the scratchy bits and edge bits, don't worry about them, we can cut them off once it's dried. Leaving your bowl for around about 24 hours, it should be dry. So what we need to do now is remove the bowl and your tissue paper. If you find when you do remove it that the inside is still a little bit soft, just leave it out for a little bit longer and that'll help with the drying process. You may notice my bowl's got a lot of these bits here, so all we're going to do is go around with a pair of scissors and tidy all this up. So once you've got your tissue paper bowl tidied up, you should be able to see the leaves coming through there quite nicely now. A couple of things you could do once you've got your bowl all tidied up is put up a hole in either side, put a piece of string on it and pop your candle in. That way you can use it as a lantern just to hang down, or you can just pop it on the table with your candle in and use it as a pull. Push it in and twist. Lift that out. I've just got some wool here. You can use string, whatever you want. Pull it up through the hole. And tie it off. Make a knot to tie it off with. Once you've decided how long you want your piece of string, tie it off, and that is where your lantern will hang. Pop your candle in and then wait for the evening once it's dark to watch it all light up. Hope you've enjoyed the video and see you soon. Bye bye now.